Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another buying $1 of Bitcoin every day update. Today is day number 446. Okay, so here we are on Cash App. This is the app that I use to buy Bitcoin every day. Let's go ahead and hop to the investment tab and then go to the Bitcoin section. So Bitcoin currently at about $7,500 and not much percentage change today. Over the last week, it's up about 6%. Over the last month, up about 12.5%. Before we get into it, if you guys are interested in getting some free money on Cash App, just go ahead and sign up with my link in the description and we will both get $5 for free. Also put my link for Robinhood down there. If you sign up for the Robinhood app, we'll both get a free stock that can be valued up to $500. Let's go ahead and make today's purchase, then we'll do a calculation after that. So let's tap buy here. Tap the three dots, type in 7. For the week, scan my fingerprint. It's gonna give us our order details and then I'm just gonna tap confirm. Just like that, we've added a little bit more. I'm now at $466.78. So let's go ahead and do the math on this one. 466.78 divided by 446 days equals a 1.04x on our investment. So we're up on this investment now. It's going well. It's not up too much. It's pretty steady over the last month or so. We did see a nice 6% gain here just yesterday, just last night. So that definitely helped us out a lot. All time, it's hard to say, Bitcoin is definitely going sideways through this zone. Like and subscribe if you want to see more updates on this. Definitely check out some of the other Cash App and investment experiment videos on the channel. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.